Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Coco Curls and thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is all about my wash routine from start to finish. So if you want to see the entire process, please keep on watching. For all my new subscribers, welcome and thank you. For my existing subscriber, I love all the love and support. And if you're new here, please browse around, look around, make yourself at home. Hit that notification bell so that you know whenever I make a video, as well as to like and subscribe. So my hair was in faux locks for like the last 4 weeks. It's very dirty. I just went in and finger detangle, remove as much shed hair as possible, and had sectioned off my hair in 4 sections. I'm wetting my hair now with warm water, and this is to help to lift some of that debris off my hair, open up the cuticle layer, help to remove those oils and so on from my hair. So I'm starting the process with a product called Pronexa, which is a hair bond repairing complex. I've been using it, well, this is my second time using it, but my hair, I have a permanent color in my hair, and my hair has been just feeling a little weird. I'll talk about that more in another video, but I apply this to my hair. It's good for persons who have any chemically treated hair. If you have a relaxer or if you have bleached hair or colored hair, it's a very good product you can use. So I've applied it, and it's not a conditioner. You apply it before you wash and you leave it in for 15 minutes. It doesn't say you have to put anything over your head to get any sort of heat. I just apply it and leave it on for the 15 minutes. And I'm ensuring I'm keeping my hair in those 4 sections because it's just much easier for me to work with that way. This is how it looks after the 15 minutes. I'm going to rinse out now with warm water as well. So the product itself, it says that it repairs damaged, bleached, or colored hair and strengthens weak bonds. It allows, like anything that I use in my hair afterwards, it just sucks up the product. It just makes it feel so nice and super, super soft. I can't even explain it. I'm not even sure how it does it, but it just makes my hair feel really, really good. And I have been struggling with drier hair than normal, and my hair just feels really nice after using this product. So I've rinsed everything out, and I'm keeping my hair in the 4 sections, and now I'm going to go ahead and shampoo. And I'm using the Ox shampoo, which is the shampoo I've always used for years. It is not sulfate free, but it's not super drying. And I needed something that would make my hair feel clean because I have not washed it in 4 weeks. I needed it to be clean, and I wanted my scalp to feel very nice and light. So I am focusing on my scalp, and I'm using the pads of my fingers to work any dirt or anything, any oils, to lift it off my hair. And I'm keeping my hair down. I'm washing in a downward motion. This allows my hair to stay tangle free. If you clump up your hair on top of your head when you're washing, you will encounter knots, and it will make it a lot more difficult for you to deal with. So try your best to wash your hair in a downward motion, focusing on your scalp and working your way down the length of your hair. So I'm just doing that, and then I'm going to rinse out with warm water, ensuring I'm getting all the shampoo out, and still, as I said, just focusing on the scalp of my hair. This is so relaxing. I think this is the part I love the most about wash day. It's just shampooing my hair. I really love this part of the process a lot because it's just so soothing and so comforting to me. So keep it in that downward motion, rinsing out with the warm water. Just get all that shampoo out. And when you wash your hair in sections, really it helps for you to not feel so overwhelmed. So I try to keep my hair in these sections all the time. So the next thing I'm going to do is to apply my deep conditioner. All along I thought the deep conditioner I've been using is the Tropic Isle. It's actually Sunny Isle Extra Dark Jamaican Black Castor Oil Extreme Hydration and Detangling Conditioner. That's a mouthful. I have been using this conditioner since about, I believe, about May of this year, and it's really, 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 really thick. It's thick, thick. It's thick. It's so hard to come out of the bottle, but this is really good for softening my hair. It makes my hair feel really, really nice. So I apply about that much that you're seeing there to each section, and I just completely saturate my hair. I don't detangle with this because it's so thick. It doesn't give me that slip I want in a conditioner, but it gives me the moisturizing properties that I'm looking for. But it really doesn't have that much slip in my opinion. You may use it and it feels different for you, but it doesn't feel that way for me. Just to give you some hair info, I have high porosity hair, one, and two, I am color treated. I've dyed my hair black numerous times, as well as red. It's now black. So those are details that you may want to know. So yeah. Anyways, I've applied the conditioner and I'm putting on this cap over my head. I left it on for about 3 hours by mistake because I fell asleep. I normally leave it on for about an hour, but this is how my hair is looking after I have left it in for that time. You can see it has really sucked up the conditioner. So I'm rinsing out now with cool water. At this point, you don't have to use warm water. So this is now my detangling conditioner. This conditioner I'm using is the Mane Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Conditioner. I love this. This has a lot of slip. As you can see, it's much runnier. It's easy to apply to my hair. It seems a little watery, but this is what I use now to go in and detangle my hair. So I'm finger detangling and working my way through with my fingers initially, and then I'm going to go through and apply the Denman brush and just brush through from the ends and work my way up my hair. But this makes it so easy to detangle my hair, and I'm doing this when my hair is wet. I could apply both conditioners, but I just find that it just works better to me this way if I separate the conditioners. So I just add this step and I don't use it, I don't leave it in or anything. I just apply it, use it to work through the knots in my hair and just detangle. That's all I use it for, but it feels really nice in my hair as well. So sometimes I'll use another conditioner that I have, which is the Ox conditioner, and I love that conditioner as well, but it just has not been feeling the same. I've been feeling like I needed something with a lot more slip, a lot more moisture, and this is what this combo has given me. But sometimes I'll use the Ox conditioner for detangling purposes. But as you can see, the Denman brush is just going through so easily. I'm having no issues whatsoever with going through my hair. If you have an issue using a Denman, you can use any other sort of detangling agent or you can use a tangle teaser or any other detangling brush, or if you want to just use your fingers. The thing is, if you're just using your fingers, sometimes if you really want it to be fully detangled, it might not be the same. So that's why I'm going through with the Denman and I'm working through my hair. So as you can see, the product makes it so easy for the Denman to just slide through. If I try to do this with the other conditioner, the Sunny Isle one, it doesn't give me the same feel because of the thickness and so on. It doesn't give me the same outcome that I'm looking for, and this is what I want. I want it to be just so easy, so seamless. I mean, if I could live with only one hair product, it would have to be a conditioner that has a lot of slip. I need that in my life. My hair gets very tangled easily, and this is what I need, and this is what I do to just keep my hair not free, or as not free as possible. So I've completed detangling that section, and I'm going to show you the finished look, or the finished detangled hair for this section. I'm going to show you the other side as well. It's very easy to just go through and work through my hair. So this is it with conditioner in, the same rinse out conditioner, the Mane Choice, and I love it. I love it. Every time I use this conditioner, I get the same result. I'm just rinsing out with cold, well, not cold water, but cool water or regular water, not warm. And this is my hair wet, free of product, nothing in it but water. I'm applying a t-shirt to dry my hair a little, and then I am going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. So I let this stay on my hair for about 20 minutes just to get some of the excess water out. I am going to apply my leave-in conditioner now, and the leave-in conditioner I will be using is the As I Am Detangling Conditioner, which is the leave-in tangle releaser conditioner. And this is really nice as well. I've used it on other persons and they love it. It's really nice. So I use the same about a dime size on each section, and now I have two big sections. So I just work it through my hair for each section, and it feels really good. As you see, I'm just smoothing down the product, smoothing in the product, and it just feels really nice at this point. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and then, oh, the product finished on me. So yeah, I'm going to apply it to that side, and then after I do that, I'm just going to seal. You just want to ensure that anything that you use, once you're using your leave-in conditioner, you seal afterwards. I find I get the best results when I seal while my hair is still damp. Some persons might apply their leave-in conditioner, allow it to dry a little, and then seal. But getting the best result, I think, is to apply it while your hair is still somewhat wet. So I'm applying some extra virgin olive oil to the section. And this is probably the craziest thing. It fell out of my hand, ran out of my hand. So I'm applying it to each section now, and still working my way, working the product through my hair. I don't use extra virgin coconut oil to seal my hair. I prefer to use that. If I'm using coconut oil, I use it as a pre-poo. So I use it before I shampoo my hair. To seal, I prefer to use some form of hair butter or extra virgin olive oil. It tends to keep the moisture in a lot longer for me. So if you use coconut oil to seal and you find that your hair feels a little crunchy, you might want to use something else. I put my hair in some braids, and this is the next day. I'm just removing those braids, and I'm just going to wear my hair in this sort of braid out, well, this kind of chunky-ish braid out. And that is my wash routine. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment below, and I'll leave all the products that I've used in the description box below as well. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, bye.